Welcome. In front of me is an OPPO smartphone, and in this video I will show you how to unlock your device using AI facial recognition. So first let's set up a screen lock password for our device. In order for this to start working, set a screen lock. Let's set a pattern screen lock. Then, once you set up a screen lock in security and privacy settings, go to Device Unlock and then find Fingerprint and Face Unlock. And let's enroll a new face model for our device. To ensure the best experience, we should wipe the frontal camera using a dry towel and also adjust the screen, the brightness within the room that we are in. Then click Add Now and proceed by adding a new face model. Look directly in the camera, and once you're ready, click Done. You can set some additional settings like whether you want to lock applications using your face model, if you want to hide apps and unhide them when you with your face model. You can enable data protection feature. You can choose whether you want to enter home screen after unlocking, which is the very convenient feature for me. And you can also choose to brighten your screen in dim light in order for this feature to work better. And to check how face recognition works, just lock your smartphone and try to unlock it using your face model. And as you can see, AI face recognition works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.